Today video we will discuss about the Italy post lending services. In this Zoom meeting, Mr. Reddy is with us, and I will ask some question from him. He already in Italy. He is also provided post lending services. If any international students uh, got the visa from India or from any country and looking for accommodation in Italy, so Mr. Reddy will help to the international students there. So Mr. Reddy, firstly, I welcome you on this Zoom meeting, and from my side, Naman hai, Namaskar hai.
Yeah,
Hello.
yeah.
Okay. Can you
Thank
tell
you
me?
for
Okay.
inviting me.
Okay. Firstly, tell me about yourself, where you are located in Italy.
Yeah, I'm from basically from Bangalore. I will introduce myself completely. My name is Sunil. I'm from Bangalore. I have company called Edu Global 5. We are working from past 3 years to Italy.
Okay. What is your status there?
So I'm also an educational consultant.
Okay, okay. And your status in Italy, what is you are a student, you are on a residency permit, which type of status you have in Italy?
No. My partner is in Italy. He is a student from Casino
Okay,
University.
okay. So whether you
He
are
is living.
okay, whether you are provided the post lending services to the international student in Italy?
Yeah, from past 3 years we are doing this one.
Okay. Can you tell me in which region you are provided the services like post lending services? Only in specific state or all entire in the Italy you can provide it?
Previously we done Casino and Rome. So
Okay.
now we are providing all the region, all
Okay.
20 regions.
Can you tell me the list of services which is needed to the international student while he will reach in Italy? Which type of services they need and which type of services you are provided to the international students?
Okay. So mainly now what are the service we'll provide? No,
Oh,
we'll
yes.
provide accommodation services and post landing, airport pickup and drop that we will do.
Okay.
So documentation work, like receiving the resident permit,
Okay.
bank account creation, every
Okay.
service we will do that one.
Okay.
So
Okay.
student need to pick which service they need, because airport to pick up drop, no. So
Mm-hmm.
the student need to pay the up and down service, like traveling expenses.
Okay. It means you will provide to the students from airport till the applying the residency permit. Either it will
Yeah,
include about the accommodations, applying the residency permit, pick up from the airport, opening the bank account, purchasing the SIM card, as well as to making the like a travel pass, metro pass or something.
every complete we will guide you. So
Okay.
two services we divided into two parts. One
Okay.
is especially for accommodation, one is
Okay.
for post arrival. Post arrival,
Oh,
it also include accommodation also.
okay. So you told me you are providing in all of the Italy, you can provide these type of services. Whether you are also helping to the students if some students are facing the problem to applying the scholarship.
Yeah, and we are also dealing for I also told, no, I'm also educational consultant, no. So
Okay.
if student needed, no, we can help you that one. It's complete process. Even
Okay.
for bachelor degree, master degree, and medical also we are doing.
About the PhD.
A PhD also we are doing, but it is a different case. We need to contact to the person only, professor only. We need to contact and we need to do the
Oh, okay. You know about the senior.
complete the work.
Okay, you know about the senior.
CMA.
Yeah.
So it's alternative for DOV.
Okay, very good. Only just I'm checking about your knowledge. That reason I asked this specific question from you. And
Okay.
something many students asking me one question: ki whether student can accompany with spouse in Italy, whether there is any provision in Italy when the student will reach in Italy if he want to apply or if he want to invite the spouse from India or from any country, whether that provision is available in Italy or not.
Italy, student can apply.
Pardon?
So, like I told you, like most of them we are doing for accommodation. No,
No, no.
regarding that part, I cannot tell you exactly.
Okay, okay. Only I am
Some
asking this
questions.
question ki whether the provision is available to accompany with the spouse in Italy if student is coming for higher study. You have some idea about this thing?
Yeah, yeah, possible.
Okay, possible. It means provision is there. And after completion of study, can you tell me how much the
Okay.
post-study permit, how much the post-study permit is provided by the Italy government to the international student when the student will complete
1 year only.
1 year?
Okay.
Okay. Okay. And one very important thing. This is very important. Every student asks me this thing. Whether you can assist the students about the part-time job, even student is ready to pay the fee.
Yeah, you already know it as a consultant, no?
Ah,
Part-time job is very difficult.
see,
To
I
tell
know.
you openly.
I know. It is. I am appreciated, Mr. Reddy. I am so, Mr. Reddy. I am appreciating you. You are telling the truth, everything. But I am asking this question from you: whether there is any chance, or whether you can assist the students if they want the this service from your agency. You can provide me any delivery job or any type of jobs. Is that possible?
Yeah, no. Actually, no. For getting like delivery job, no, there is a competition also. We cannot
Oh,
give you that part-time job.
which type of easily available jobs in Italy?
Job means if he like if he is in any tourism like tourism place, no, if he is very proficient in English, no, he can get that like jobs that through his communication and even like delivery job, no, you need to wait at least 1 year to get that one. Very
Okay.
difficult to get. You
Okay.
need to apply first and you need to get approval from the that company. After that only you can do that one. Delivery
Okay.
job is also very difficult.
Okay. Okay. In this video,
Reality, I am telling.
I'm also telling to all of the viewers that we are sending a number of students in Italy for free study, and we have a one exclusively playlist free study in Italy. I am also putting the link of that playlist on my description box. You can watch number of videos related to free study in Italy. Even thereafter, you can decide it. Even our company will also making the tie-up with that agency, which is already located in Italy. Those will provide the post-landing subsidy to the international students. If the student already got the visa and looking for further services like post-landing services, our company can provide it with the help of Mr. Reddy, who is already in Italy. And Mr. Reddy, I will ask you one another question. That
Can
is,
I know, like, can I know how many as members are there in Zoom? Like, you and me, right? There any other person like in front of you, like who are attending the
no,
session?
no, single myself.
Okay, like you are telling, like you are like telling as a group of people who are
A group of
attending, no?
people. That reason, ki, but we are also promoting these things on our social media. That reason, I am telling this statement.
Okay, sorry. So, like you are recording, no? I thought, sorry. Okay,
Yes. I'm recording this conversation. That reason I am saying this thing.
okay.
Okay. Second thing, whether student can start his or her business after completing the study in Italy if he will put a like 20,000 or 30,000 euro, whether that provision is available or not.
Yeah, you can start the business, possibly say.
Okay.
Because no, my
How much,
my friend already like.
nay, how much the minimum investment, 20,000, 30,000 euro? Can you suggest me from which, how many euros he need to start any small business?
Actually, I don't know the exact amount, but my friend already starting the coffee business. He is
Okay.
investing 15,000 euro.
Okay, whether the Italy government will change the status of the student to business residency permit after starting the business?
Yeah, that no, if he is investing, he can like it's possible, right?
Okay, very good. And this is another provision in Italy. Either student can extend the visa like post-study permit after getting a proper jobs there. Can you tell me the minimum salaries need to be shown by the international student to extend the residency permit in Italy?
Minimum salary you are asking. Basic salary is like
No. I am
1,000 to
asking.
1,500.
I am asking like a one international student completed a bachelor degree. and after completing the bachelor degree, he want to extend the residency permit under work permit category. And can you tell me how much salary he need to be shown to the government to extend the residency permit under work permit category?
Actually, I cannot tell you the exact amount, but
Okay.
minimum salary should be like 2,000 to 1,500.
Okay. And Mr. Reddy, you have given me a very good information, and we will provide you the students those are looking for post landing services in Italy, either accommodations. We will exclusively take the services from your agency about the accommodation, airport pickup, applying the residency permit. If somebody is looking for applying the scholarship, if he having not a proper document, he could not bring from India, so then he can also take your service after reaching there. And if he need another service, that we can also discuss with you later on. And any special message to the international student if you want to give before coming to Italy?
Internet, like basically, no, student need to Italian language. That is most important.
Which thing?
Italian language.
No, I could not understand which thing.
Italian language.
Okay. And thank you for this conversation and giving me this important time by yourself. Even in this Zoom meeting, I am also inviting to the another international students, those already in different countries. If they want to join with Crown Immigration, they can also text me and we can also arrange the Zoom meeting with them. Thank you, Mr. Reddy.